Statistics 8 marks. Find the mode and mean of the data. Interpret the two measures. Here he asked mode and mean. Two sums in this problem. Mode here and mean here, two parts. Students per teacher 15 is to 20, 15 into to 20, 20 to 25. Here given number of states, 3 states, 15 to 20 people teacher ratio states, 8 states 20 to 25, 9 states 25 to 30, 10 states 30 to 35, like this. Number of states given 35. Mean, we know the value of mean, sigma mean x bar equal to sigma fi xi by n. Here n is equal to 35. Now xi means 15 to 20, mid value 17.5. Now add 5, 22.5. Next 27.5. Next 32.5. Next 37.5. Next 42.5. Next 47.5. Next 52.5. These are the mid values. And then this is f, this is x. Fi xi we know. 3 into 17.5, 52.5. Next 8 into 22.5, 180.0. Next 9 into 27.5, 247.5. 10 into 32.5, 325.0. 3 into 37.5, 112.5. 0 is anything 0. 0 into anything 0. 2 into 52.5, 105.0. Add the total, we get 1022.5. Now mean equal to 1022.5 by 35. This is equal to 29.21. This is the mean of the given data. Now we want to calculate mode. Class interval, here frequency, write 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0 to total 35. Now we want to calculate mode. Mode formula, MODE mode formula equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here L is the lower limit of model class. Lower limit of model class. L is the lower limit of model class. How can we calculate model class? Maximum frequency here 10. So this is the lower limit L. L is equal to 30 plus F1. F1 means this is F1, this is F0, This is F2. F1 minus F0. 10 minus 9 by 2F1. 2 tens minus F0. 9 minus F2. What is F2? 3. Into H. H means 5. Therefore, 30 plus 1 by 20 minus 12, 8 into 5. Now, 30 plus 5 by 8. 5 by 8. 5 by 8 means 5 by 8. 0.6 48 and 2 6 to 16 4 5 0.0625, that is equal to 30.625 is the mode of the given data. Okay, thank you.